Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to get Ethereum, or ETH, onto your Coinbase wallet. It's important to understand that Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet are two distinct products from the same company. Coinbase is a centralized exchange where you buy and sell crypto, while Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody wallet, giving you complete control over your digital assets. We'll walk through the steps to acquire ETH on the exchange and then securely transfer it to your personal wallet. First, you'll need to set up and fund your main Coinbase exchange account. If you haven't already, create an account and complete the necessary identity verification steps. Next, link a payment method like your bank account or a debit card. Once connected, you can deposit funds into your Coinbase account. For added security, always ensure you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account. Now that your Coinbase account is funded, you're ready to purchase Ethereum. Open the Coinbase app and go to the Buy and Sell section. Search for and select Ethereum from the list of cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount you want to buy, for example, $50 worth of ETH. Before finalizing, review your order details, including the purchase amount and any associated network fees. Once everything looks correct, confirm your purchase. Finally, let's move your Ethereum to your Coinbase wallet. Open your Coinbase Wallet app and find your Ethereum receive address. It's a long string of characters. Then, go back to your Coinbase Exchange app, select Send or Transfer, choose Ethereum and paste that receive address. Double-check the address carefully, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Review the network fee, which is typically a small amount, and then confirm the transfer. Your Ethereum should arrive in your Coinbase wallet within a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.